Restore engine performance and reduce engine wear in just 2 steps. Hotshot's secret oil additives are proven to keep your gas and diesel engine performing at its peak. Step 1. Our original Stiction Eliminator. Give your engine an initial deep clean, dissolving burnt oil, gum, and varnish from critical components like turbos, HUI injectors, and rings. Third-party ASTM testing confirms using Stiction Eliminator can reduce engine wear by up to 62%. Then, when you're due for the next oil change, switch over to FR3 Friction Reducer. FR3 is packed with proprietary synthetic lubricants to fill and attach to the microscopic crevices that develop on the surfaces inside the engine, reducing wear by up to 43%, resulting in increases in both fuel economy and horsepower by up to 5% each. Use FR3 for 2 oil changes before another dose of Stiction Eliminator and just keep the process going. Whether you're driving a diesel truck, a daily driver, semi, or anything with an engine, Hotshot's secret oil additives are the best way to get the most out of your engine.